The Monetary Authority of Singapore has warned of a fraudulent website soliciting investments in bitcoins by using fabricated comments attributed to Emeritus Senior Minister Goh Chok Tong. The central bank said an article on the website referenced statements purportedly made by Mr. Goh, which are either false or have been taken out of context and used in a misleading way. Mr. Goh is also a senior advisor to the MAS. The site asks readers to make a minimum initial deposit of $250 into a purported trading platform, Bitcoin Loophole, which would automatically initiate trades on their behalf. It also requests for credit card or bank account details. MAS has advised the public to avoid providing any financial or personal information on the forms linked from the website. The regulator noted that in the past year, there have been websites fraudulently using the names and photographs of ministers and other prominent public personalities to solicit Bitcoin investments.